You can easily keep your Samsung phone running smoothly by setting up an automatic restart schedule. This built-in feature helps refresh your device at selected times, improving performance and reducing small system glitches over time. To set it up, start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Device Care. From there, select Auto Optimization. Depending on your Samsung model and One UI version, you may need to tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Automation before you can continue. Next, tap Auto Restart and enable the Restart on Schedule option. You can then choose the exact days and times when you want your phone to restart automatically. Many users prefer scheduling the restart during late night hours when the device is not being used. Keep in mind that the scheduled restart will only happen if certain conditions are met. Your phone's screen must be turned off, the device cannot be actively in use, the battery level must be above 30%, and the SIM card lock feature must be disabled. This feature doesn't completely power the phone off and back on, but it serves as Samsung's official solution for maintaining device performance and stability over time. If you ever want to disable the scheduled restart, simply return to the same auto restart menu and switch the feature off. That's it. Your Samsung phone is now set up exactly the way you want.